everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel and this is your first time seeing me, hi, my name is Rachel and I'm so glad that you guys stopped by. Today I wanted to share with you guys a really quick clean with me video. I just kind of wanted to do my living area while I still have my fall stuff up because it is November 1st and I am so tempted to already decorate for Christmas, and I don't think there's like a written rule or anything, so I actually think I'm going to be taking all of this good stuff down pretty soon. So I wanted to go ahead and do a clean with me video. So let me know if you guys enjoy these types of videos, and welcome to all of you guys who are new to my channel. I noticed I do have a lot of new subscribers and I just wanted to welcome you guys, and I hope you guys stay and subscribe and let me know what other kind of videos that you guys want me to record. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, that way I know that you guys are new to my channel, and let me know what types of videos that you guys want to see on my channel. Really quick, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. It's really not that bad. So this is the foyer area, and yes, that is a random Christmas tree. I told you guys that I am so tempted to already decorate, but I actually got this from the Target dollar spot and I was like $5, and then I got some little ornaments to go with that, so I just need to kind of put that away. But this is the foyer. It's not that bad. That is a baby shower gift for my daughter. If you guys don't know, oh my god, I am going to be a grandma in January. I'm freaking out about that, so hopefully I'm a good one. But here is the rest of the room. This is the living area, and it's not too bad. My girls just came and threw their stuff on the floor. Okay, random cat sitting on the counter. That's totally normal. This, I kind of have my little work area set up here, so I have a bunch of crap sitting up here, and then a couple of dishes in the sink, some just random stuff everywhere. Old Halloween candy. This is the day after Halloween, so there's just like random candy up here. So that is what it looks like right now. Like I said, that is nothing compared to what it can be. So let's go ahead and get on with the cleaning. Well, I love this black and white checkered rug, but it gets so dirty so fast. But I truly love it. I got it from Hobby Lobby, in case you're wondering. So right now I'm using this mum scent from Mrs. Meyer's, but I have gone through all of the fall scents and I love the pumpkin one a lot as well. I swear to you guys, you will see my cat make an appearance several times throughout this video. I don't know what it is with her and the camera. It used to be my daughter, but now when I turn the camera on and I'm recording, the cat has to make several appearances for some reason. So as you guys can tell, I love using baskets to hide and store things. You guys have to check out these really cute little old school TV Christmas decor from Walmart. It was $10. They have an almost identical one at, I believe it was Marshall's, for like $30, but I really like it. It changes lights and it has different songs, like 4 different songs. My daughter loves playing with it, and as you can see, they put it out just a little bit early.
I told myself that maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice. 'Cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is better.
And as you guys can see, I love shopping at the Target dollar spot. If you guys haven't already saw my video, I do it every season that the Target dollar spot switches out their entire stock. And this banner did come from there, by the way, but I always do a video on that, so make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss out on that.
At me like I know what he's thinking, but I don't have a clue. True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah, it's almost rather cruel. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is better.
So once I'm done with picking up the entire living room, I'll go ahead and vacuum, and then I'm going to sweep. So next I'm just going to move on to the kitchen and just start by clearing off my dining room table.
Under summer slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Yeah, there's a remedy, remedy, yeah. Oh no. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's a remedy, remedy. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's no remedy, remedy, yeah.
Not sure what these are called, but they're like these Mexican Sandies cookies. They have like cinnamon and sugar all over them. They're really good, but they are super sweet and they go in my house super fast. But if you haven't tried them, you should give them a try. Comment down below if you know what they're called. I don't know what they're called, but they're good. So usually for my trash can I use a stainless steel cleaner. I think the one by Wyman's, but I didn't have any. I ran out, so I'm using those window cleaners, so hopefully it doesn't mess my trash can up. So the kiddos are home from school and they are just trying to find anything and everything to snack on. So I think my daughter's eating cereal straight out of the bag and my other one is eating organic SpaghettiOs. Okay guys, I totally lied. She is eating what she calls hot dogs, but it's really smoked sausage sliced up with ketchup. I thought she was eating the SpaghettiOs because that's normally what I give her after school. Okay, and so finally I am just mopping throughout the house, just starting with the kitchen and kind of making my way around to the living room and then the foyer area. Okay guys, sorry if you hear dogs barking in the background, they won't be quiet. But it is about that time. I'm going to go ahead and have me a cup of coffee because I am so dragging the rest of this this particular day, and I'm just super tired, so I usually will have a cup of coffee in the afternoon. And this is the last of it. I finally finished cleaning, and hopefully it'll stay clean for a couple of days, but there is no guarantee when you have kiddos and a husband especially. Alright everybody, I'm going to have my coffee and we're gonna call it a night here. It's like much later now. I kind of took the rest of the night to clean, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.